View from the hostel. Hop hostel. Common areas ng Hop hostel with the view of the beach. So this is the lobby. Entrance. And meron daw ditong den. So dito yung locker area. Yun yung gamit. Maaga ang check-up. Diba? Yan. Game room. The activities nila. So, lagi daw meron free meal at dinner. So, sign up. And yung stairs, akyat. That's our room 202, second floor. Room tour. Hi! On the right, may mirror. And then, yan, bali 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na bunk beds. Pero itong nasa gitna is queen size ata yan. So, wala sila ngayon. So, it's 2 PM, check-in. So, dito tayo. Sa baba. And ito yung mga locker. So, provide your own padlock. Yan. Nandiyan yung gamit ko. Tapos, ito yung may ensuite na toilet. Sink. Toilet and shower. Malinis naman. So, mga kasama na ako dito. At ano na sila. So, I paid 3,700 pesos. So, parang pumapatak na 1,200 pesos per night. So, I'll be staying here 3 nights. Ayun. Dito to sa Hop Hostel in Coron. Yun lang. Bye! Our room 202, second floor. And then, meron din kitchen. Kung gusto magluto. Tapos, here, may common CR. Pero kasi, yung room natin may ensuite. Kaya hindi na ako gumagamit yan. Tapos, yan. Merong laundry. Parang 300 ata dito per load. Yan, 300. Wash and dry. So, ito yung hagdanan. Pababa. Tapos, ito tayo sa 3rd floor. Ito yung 3rd. So, meron ulit room. Tapos, may common area. Oh, wala ng TV. Oh, in fairness, may aircon. Yan. Oh, basta na ang floor. Sabihin na mulan. So, dito yung may bar. Let's see. Yung view. Malawag in fairness. Yung Dubai Mountains. Oh, diba? Ang ganda naman. Ganda ka ito view mo, no? Thank you, Lord. Ganda ng Pilipinas.